Golf in a lovely 3-bedroom townhouse with its own private parking space. And over here we have the entrance. Right next to the entrance we do have a storage room, which the owner uses as laundry and to put all his tools. Here we have fitted mosquito net. As you come in, we have the loo to the left for the guest, and on the right we have the kitchen. The kitchen opens up into the sitting room. Nice spacious sitting room with a working fireplace. And over here we have the terrace and garden. This is a communal garden, but it is used for privately, sorry. And it's overlooking the golf course. Here you have the gate where the gardeners come in as they take care of the garden for you. It is a semi-attached, so you only have neighbors on one side. So now we will make our way upstairs. So here we have 1 bedroom, fitted wardrobes, and installed fan. Here we have the 2nd bedroom, installed fan also, fitted wardrobes, and a little Juliet balcony that looks out to the swimming pool. Over here we have the shared bathroom for both bedrooms. And the master bedroom. It's bathroom. Fitted wardrobes. Installed aircon. And a little terrace that overlooks the garden and golf. It is the 10th of January 2024. Lovely weather. If you're a golf lover and are interested in this house, please contact us. Thank you very much.